Hi everyone! Happy Valentine's Day! I'm Amy, and today I'm making a slow cooker chocolate pumpkin spoon cake. Now this delicious dessert is so great, you don't add any eggs to this. You just mix all the ingredients together in a bowl and then cook it in your slow cooker. And you will have a rich chocolatey dessert that's great for Valentine's Day or anytime. So let's get started. Spray a slow cooker with non-stick cooking spray. In a bowl, add 1 box of chocolate cake mix, 1 small box of instant chocolate pudding, 2 cups of sour cream, 3/4 cup of pure pumpkin, 3/4 cup of canola or vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Then add 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Now stir this together. Now pour the mixture into your prepared slow cooker and spread it out evenly. Now put on the lid and cook this on low for 4 to 5 hours or until the center is set. And here it is, slow cooker chocolate pumpkin spoon cake. This is great served warm and topped with vanilla ice cream, chocolate syrup, hot fudge sauce, or even whipped cream. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. You don't add any eggs. Hey! 1 small box of chick. What was I gonna say? Chicken? A box of chicken? 1 small box of chocolate instant chocolate. Instant chocolate pudding. For 4 to 5 hours or until the setter sets. 4 to 5 hours or until the setter I did it again. The center sets. Wait a minute. Now put on the lid and, oh my gosh, I can't get it. Wait a minute. You can also follow there. Oh no, come on, my ice cream's melting.